how do you can make ChatGPT edit for you. Hey video editors, Adobe Firefly, which is fucking amazing, and you can think about that. Oh my god. Okay, the AI revolution is here. It's soon gonna replace us all, and not only video editors, but every fucking person on this planet. But before that, we're still in a kind of beginning phase of developing AI for video editors, and now instead of completely replacing us, we can use it to our advantage, so you can just chill and do whatever the fuck it says. In this video, I will show you how to make AI do all the creative work for you, remove all the editor's guesswork, which takes most of the time in our creative projects, music choices. Music is what drives the narrative, music is what increases the most emotion in all the videos, music is like the key part, and we have to be very selective in terms of music to convey a certain emotion we want the viewer to experience when he watches this or that moment, right? Picking up the music can be very long process. You choose one song, then you don't like it, you choose another, and that's where a lot of creativity gets taken away from us. Now the ChatGPT provides a very easy and efficient solution, and as they say, the ChatGPT has all the answers, you just have to know how to ask it properly. And I've developed a very efficient prompt which basically reads through the script which you provided to and gives you the music choices for every single bit of the video. It splits the video by chapters, by topics, and gives a really good choice for every single bit of the video. So you just go to the website that you're using or using our software from the Discord community, and you basically do what the ChatGPT says and you apply it to your own video. It's all sorted by the keywords which all those stock websites use for their music, so you can just go to them, pick the exact words the ChatGPT says, and you already have the music choice. This will save you a bunch of time, like hours of time picking the music, and you already will have a structure. You can of course tweak it to your needs if you don't like it, but it gives you the core right away without you burning out creatively, and you can then proceed to the next passage of the video by adding B-roll, VFX, and all that other stuff. But it's very efficient. I use it now for every single video that I edit, and I hope it will help you in your project. So basically you just copy the prompt that you will find down the link below, you copy the entire prompt, and then just inside the brackets you put your own transcribed script of the video, and you basically let it run through ChatGPT free version, and it gives you the music choices for all of the script that you provided, and it gives you the sentence at which sentence the track should start and at which sentence the track should finish. Read it, apply the music that you download based on the keywords, and there you have it, all your video filled out with music without you creatively burning out. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, follow us on the Discord. It's a very great community of video editors. There's 300 members already. We provide you with software, with knowledge, with all that shit to live our final years as video editors until AI fully replaces us. It was Roman from Visualizers Club. It was nice talking to you, and as always guys, keep it rocking.